everyone, welcome to my channel, Dhalimartin. Today I bring you another cooking and cleaning video. For this specific night, I prepared a keto meal. Yes, a keto. I started keto. It's an eggplant lasagna.
Wanna dig my hands deep down in the dirt. Take a walk along the street if I'm feeling dessert. All of this convenience just doesn't work for me. I wanna play with fire.
Music licensing reimagined.
Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Just don't bother. I know this all just makes me sound ancient, but sons and daughters,
music licensing reimagined.
Can we take it back to 95? Before we had this drama in our lives, just staring at the screen every day and night. I miss the rush of living in real life. Go get your DeLorean. Yo, what you got in that bag? Candy, cigarettes, and a Playboy mag. Many used to have to work for that. Wait for me, gotta dial up. Can't call my landline cause it's all tied up. Just bike over then.
Music licensing reimagined.
And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for the support. I appreciate all the love, I appreciate all the comments and the thoughts, and for you guys taking a little bit of time of your day to coming back and watching us clean and have fun. And I hope you guys keep coming back. That is Aaron in the back. Sorry for that. Say hi, Aaron. Say hi. Hello. You don't want to talk. Hey. This is another one. My big one. I will also be making a giveaway. $100 giveaway. That will be my next not challenge, but that is another thing that I want to make to get to 1,000 subscribers. So my 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I will be giving $100 gift card, Cash App, Zelle. You guys let me know what's your preference. You can leave it down in the comments what you prefer, but I will be checking back on you guys with that, my 1,000 subscriber giveaway.
Artlist.io.
Watch out, they said I won't see you coming. Blind side for sure. One blink now we're standing face to face. And I'm hesitant, hoping you'll come our direction. I get in ahead of myself. You're smiling cause you know you got my attention.
Music licensing reimagined.
You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there.
Artlist.io.
Close now, could I be falling for you? Jaws on the floor, you got that something I can't explain. And I'm hesitant, hoping you'll come my direction. I get it.
Music licensing reimagined.
You're smiling cause you know you got my attention. Now it's up to me. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Won't you just stay right there? You're looking at me and I can't help stare. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. You're looking at me and I can't help stare. Right there, right there. I'm coming for you, so be patient, dear, just stay right there.
After that, I just cleaned up the kitchen, quick clean, because I had
Music licensing reimagined.
as you guys saw in my previous video, and I just gave it a quick clean and went to bed, took a bath, went to bed, and that was all for tonight. this is Julius, guys. He just wanted to say hi to you guys, and he was just infatuated with the cameras. He loves the cameras. He loves to dance and to sing. So as I was cleaning, he just came by. He saw the camera on, and he just started waving. Excuse my little midget in the background. He's here playing with his little truck as I do my voice recordings. So, but I hope you guys enjoy him. He's a joyful, loving baby boy. He's 2 years old, and my other one is a 1-year-old. I have twins. I have Irish twins. Yeah. But this is Julius for everyone that doesn't know him.
Better off. I'm gonna find my way tonight. Way tonight. I wanna heal your sorrows. We'll make a new tomorrow.
Music licensing reimagined.
To find the answer. What makes this heart beat faster?
Artlist.io.
What makes this heart beat faster? Showing up. Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off. I'm
Music
gonna find
licensing
my way
reimagined.
tonight. Wait tonight. What makes this heart beat faster?
Artlist.io.
What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart
Music
beat faster?
licensing reimagined.
Showing up. Don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight. Better off. I'm gonna find my
So
way
guys, I'll be
tonight.
giving $100 gift card,
Artlist.io.
Zelle, PayPal, Venmo, however you name it, for my 1,000 subscribers. Once we get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of this month, I will announce the winner on my Instagram.
Artlist.io.
If you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me. Is Dhalimartin on Instagram, and there I post my daily lives and pictures of my family, my kids, what we do, what I buy, things that
Music licensing
everyday
reimagined.
life that I do. But there I will be announcing the giveaway winner, and it'll be randomly selected, and I will keep you guys posted on that. So go ahead, share me out, guys. Thank you.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I remember when we were staring a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart.
Music licensing reimagined.
Give me your love, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah. Give me your love, yeah.
Well, guys, this will be all for tonight. I hope you guys enjoy some cleaning motivation and some cooking with me. Let me know down in the comments what's your favorite dish, food, or cooking traditions. I love to get to know my followers. Also, guys, don't forget to like this video if it's something you're into. And don't forget to ring the bell to get notified when I upload a video. I will be posting 3 times a week, and sometimes you will get a bonus videos throughout the week. I hope you guys join our family in all the fun.
Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring at a photo.
Music
Don't
licensing
forget the way
reimagined.
you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you